Hey, Brayden. Brayden. Are you just looking at your sissy? Hi. Why do you have crazy eyes? Oh, careful, buddy. Is he your brother?
Yeah, I watched
Is that your
this
brother?
before. I watched
Brayden.
this before. Okay.
Can you give your brother a kiss? That's so nice. We love you. Brayden. Hi. Hey. That's so nice, buddy. What are you looking at, Bray? Brayden. Okay, bye-bye, Carter. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye-bye.
You say I love you. Brayden. He loves his sissy. Are you giving me kisses? Oh. Mwah. Thank you. He's just staring at her. Okay. Okay, be easy. Easy with your brother. Be easy. Sissy? Sissy, can you say bye?
Bye. Bye.
All right, bye.